Kit 3 of the Christmas Wonder 5 digital kit series. This one is the Ephemera. It is 25 pages in total. Here we're starting with some of the reds and greens. Of course, I filled all the little spaces in with some cool labels and little bits and bobs and pieces of ephemera. There is this Christmas journal belongs to in red, green, and gold in this kit. As you can see, these journal cards coordinate with the pockets here. Some really pretty labels. Love these tickets. That's the red, really beautiful red lace that we were seeing in the journal pages as well. Here's some additional tags left mostly undecorated so that you can decorate them yourself. We have 1 through 31 in red, 1-inch circles that can be punched. So perfect for December dailies or just for adding number labels to your ephemera pieces. Some cool labels there as well. Here we have some Christmas words in large and small, and then a couple more little Christmas pockets. And now we're moving into some greens and reds combined together in these beautiful pockets. There's lots of frames in this digital, so super cool for making little pockets with pieces of ephemera that you can see through the frame if you would like. And then here are the beautiful journal cards that go in these pockets. Another really cool frame. And then some more tags that you can decorate. And our green numbers, really cool labels. Love this label right here. And your words in green and another green pocket. Really cool piece of ephemera with a frame. I made sure all of the frames, the hole within them are, for the most part, the same size as most of our punches, if you have circle punches. And then we move into some golds here. Got a little bit of that red and green pattern and some gold ticking in the background. This is a super pretty label. Really love it a lot. And then we have a Christmas Wonder library card and pocket. Really beautiful label here. Another gold pocket with that pretty lace edge. Some more tags to decorate. Our gold numbers. Love these two labels right here. Our gold words, and then also in neutral. And then our numbers in neutral, as well as our gold this Christmas journal belongs to. And then we move into some faux tea cards. However, I must say that all of the images in this digital series are all using authentic ephemera. So here we have those in a large. And then we have some more here in a large. Some really beautiful stamps. Now these can be used for pockets, little pockets for putting tickets and little bits. You can even fit one of the tea cards in there. So that's kind of fun. Here are the tea cards in a smaller size. Here's that green Christmas journal belongs to. Here is the rest of the stamps, and then here they are in small, which would be the size that you would want to put on your postcards or ephemera. And I left the cancellation stamp off so that if you have one, once you place it on your ephemera, you can put the cancellation stamp over it, so it'll look very authentic. Here's some more ephemera, this cool postcard with the stamp already on there. Here is another one, but doesn't have the cancellation on it yet. This is the front to this one, and you get to put your own stamp on there. Here's a couple of really cool Christmas seals. And then here's just some bonus extra labels that coordinate with the journal pages, which is kit 1. Super pretty. Love how it all turned out. So that is kit number 3, 25 pages from the Christmas Wonder Digital. Don't forget to subscribe to the studio's design team for lots of inspiration using the studio's digitals. You can find all of their links down below in the description box, as well as the links to the flip-throughs of all 5 digital kits and the links to all of them in Etsy. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.